Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to show you how you can customize and edit your bulleted list in your documents on Google Docs. So let us dive right into it. So guys, as you can see, I created a bulleted list like that one here in that example document. And let's say, for example, I would like to convert that bulleted list and replace these blocks here or these dots with numbers or with any other symbols or icons. This is how you can do it, guys, and customize and edit your bulleted list. In the first step, highlight your entire bulleted list. And after that, click into Format here at the top, hover your mouse over Bullets and Numbering. And after that, go through the Numbered List menu here and select, for example, a numbered bulleted list like that one here with these numbers, or a combination of numbers and letters, or with Roman letters and so on and so forth. Or you may replace these symbols like these blocks, for example, and convert them into, let's say, a bulleted list menu like that with these triangles or arrows. And as you can see, some of these bullet or sub-bullet points have been converted. As you can see now, they feature these arrows. Or as previously mentioned, guys, if you'd like to convert them into a numbered bullet list, again, click into Format here, select Bullets and Numbering, hover your mouse over Numbered List menu, and select your preferred numbered bulleted list. So let me go, for example, with that one here. And as you can see now, that bulleted list has been converted into numbered list with 0.1, 0.1, 0.11, and so on and so forth. So guys, that's how it works in practice. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.